All right, let's check in now with Michelle for the latest on what we can expect in our area this morning as the snow has started to change over to sleet and rain in some parts of Rhode Island.
Yeah, the radar trying to keep up with those changes too, Patrick, as the temperatures slowly warm through the morning hours. We're going to see a transition over to plain rain, but these next few hours of the morning will continue back and forth between sleet, freezing rain, at times some snowflakes mixing in, and plain raindrops too. And we're seeing that reflected on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. Still getting reports of snow falling from Coventry up into Woonsocket, Pasco this morning. Starting to mix and change over to sleet, freezing rain and rain as you travel Providence Point south, even as far north as Scituate. It's been mostly sleet here over the last hour or so, and then down along the coastline, a mix of rain and at times some of those ice pellets still mixing in. We're under that winter weather advisory for most of our area through 11 o'clock in the morning. Winter storm warning northwest corner of the state, that where our higher totals are expected. We've been monitoring the temperatures and they have been slowly warming. So up now above freezing Little Compton, it's right around the freezing mark westerly to Charlestown, 30 in Cranston, 29 in Woonsocket. So we envision that these temperatures will continue to slowly climb into the low and middle 30s as we head throughout the next few hours. So plain rain most areas by 8 o'clock this morning. It's going to continue to mix though in our northern suburbs until late morning, maybe 11 or even noontime. Rain showers in the afternoon could possibly end with a little flurry or sleet returning after say 5 or 6 this evening, and then most areas by mid to late evening hours this is over with. In fact, I'd say the bulk of the rainfall this afternoon will be over with by about 4 or 5 o'clock this evening. So here's the live city cam this morning, and you can see where the visibility is being reduced by that wintry mix falling. It's 30 degrees, so any untreated surfaces as this falls cold enough to support some slippery spots developing. East-northeast winds around 13 miles per hour right now. And it will be a blustery day and an unsettled day. You can see where the moisture starting to stream up from a developing low pressure center over the New Jersey coastline that'll track close to our area. The highest snowfall amounts will be north over northern Massachusetts up into southern Vermont, New Hampshire, and into the mountains of ski country. But for this morning around here, we've seen most of our accumulating snow. It's up to about 35 degrees, mix changing to rain, slick and slushy roadways. By this afternoon, around 40 degrees, rain showers, a little sleet possible in our northwest suburbs, a breezy afternoon, and this evening temperatures fall to about 38 again. Rain flurries, maybe some sleet in spots, and it could end again early in the evening. So your Futurecast at 9 o'clock this morning showing still that wintry mix, especially as you travel north of Providence. Notice the green that's reflected here in our computer model along the south coast. So mainly rain as the temperatures have warmed, and that rain and wintry mix line lifts up to the north through the morning. So here we are at lunchtime, and you can see it's mostly green even as you travel up into our northern suburbs, but there may still be a little bit of sleet mixing in. Get into the later part of the afternoon. The green represents the rain, so 3:30 in the afternoon. Still some showers passing through, and then watch how most of that comes to an end. Well, some of our computer models show one little last batch of showers that may move through this evening before this all clears out and we get back to dry skies. So most of the accumulations have already happened. 1 to 3 inches of snow for most of us. 3 to 6 inches possible. We may see an additional few inches in our northwest corner of the state this morning, and the highest amounts again well to our north. So here we are in your 7-day Futurecast. Not done with the snow yet, even though spring arrives tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the low 40s for the first day of spring. Wednesday, a high near 42 under dry skies. But then on Thursday, offshore storm system may try to clip us. It's looking like just the outer edge of it, with some maybe small accumulations possible again on Thursday with high temperatures in the upper 30s. It looks quiet right now through the weekend, though we will be tracking a storm system at Sunday, Monday time frame. Our computer models right now keeping it far enough to our south, but it is something that bears watching, and boy, we remain in an active weather pattern. You can go to WPRI.com, get the latest on your Futurecast, live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, also always on our website being updated. Let's go out to Jam Cam.